Alrighty, let's continue this next lesson in this statistics unit. Here they want us to find the min, maximum, and median. Alright, only thing here is it's not in order, so I want to get these in order. 1, 2, then we have 3, 4, 5, then we have 11, 11, 12, 14, 20. Alright. Now it should be easy. The minimum here would be 1. The maximum here would be 20. Now for the median, we have to tell what's the number in the middle. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is in between 5 and 11? Let's see. And divide that by 2. It would be 8. Okay, so right here. We successfully split both sides. Now, this little extra question says, what is the median of the first and second half? Here, the median of this would be 3, because 3 is in the middle here. And the median here would be 12. So today, we are going to learn how to take this min, max, median, the median of the first half and the second half, which we're going to learn, we call this Q1. Technically, the middle of the whole thing is Q2, and then this middle is Q3. And we are going to learn how to create what's called a box plot with these numbers. So, today I can create the 5-number summary, which is going to be the min, the max, the median, and then the median of the first half and the second half, which is Q1 and Q3. And then we're going to use this to create a box plot and to find the interquartile range. Alright, so to create the 5-number summary, we are going to order the data from least to greatest. Then we will find the lowest and the highest values, and then we will find the median, which is the middle. Then you will find the quartiles by finding the median of the first half, of the lower half, and then of the upper half. And we can do this using our calculator. So today we are going to be practicing finding the 5-number summary, which consists of the minimum, the maximum, the median, which we could call Q2 as well, and then the first quartile and the third quartile. So let's quickly look at this one. Find the 5-number summary of this stuff. So the numbers in order are as so. So the minimum here would be 10. The maximum here would be 100. Now let's find the median. Cross, 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 cross. What is in between 79 and 83? We get 81. And now that we separated these two, we need to find Q1 and we need to find Q3. Alright, let's see. Get rid of it. And we are left with this middle number, which is 73. Now let's look at this one. Get rid of it, get rid of it. And we are left with this number right here, which is 89. Nice job. And we are going to learn how to do this also in the calculator. So, I know you can't see the calculator here, but using the calculator, we are going to enter the data on the list and spreadsheets name. This list is named numbers. Then we are going to press menu, press statistics, stat calc, and choose one variable statistics. Alright, and then it will give us all of these different stuff right here. And what are we going to be looking for? We are looking for this part right here. This is our 5-number summary right here. We are going to be looking for what it tells us our minimum is, our Q1, our median, our Q3, and our maximum. Alright. So let's practice this. Sadly, you guys can't see what I'm going to be doing here on my calculator, but I'm going home on the calculator that we have at school, the TI Inspires. I'm going to the fourth thing that says List and Spreadsheets, and I'm going to A, and I am typing in 52, 60, 66, 66, 68, 72, 72, 73, 74, 75, 80, 82, 84, 91, 92, and 98. I'm going to make sure that I have 16 things in here, which I do. Then I'm going to click Menu, Statistics. Then I'm going to go to Stat Calc. And then I'm going to go to one variable statistics, and it says how many numbers of list do we have? We just have one number of list. I'm going to click OK. and I get all these numbers here. I get that the minimum is 52. I get that Q1 is 67. The median is 73.5. Q3 is 83. And the max is 98, which you can do by hand, but it's just nice to do it here. So what we call this is we call this a 5-number summary. We need the min, the max, the median, and Q1 and Q3. All right. So once we have this data, we can create a box and whisker plot. A box and whisker plot, also called a box plot, shows the 5-number summary as shown. You are going to put 2 dots at the minimum and the maximum. And then you'll put your other dots at Q1, the median, and Q3. You connect the min and Q1 with a line, and Q3 and max with a line, and then you create a box in the middle and draw a line through the box where the median is. So let's look at this first practice. We already got these data here, so our numbers from the min to the max go from 52 to 98. So maybe I could go by like 5. So let's put 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, so my minimum number was 52. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to tell the people that it's 52. All right, then my Q1 was 67. So I'm going to go right here and I'm going to just say that that's 67. Then my median was 73.5. So I'm going to go right here. And I'm going to write in 73.5. Okay. Then my next one is Q3, which is 83. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to write 83. And then lastly, I will go to 98. Okay. Now what you do is you make a little line from the minimum to Q1, and then you make a line from Q3 to the maximum. Then you put a box in the middle, and right where the median is, you draw a line. Now it asks us, what is the interquartile range? Interquartile range is when you do whatever Q3 is minus whatever Q1 is. This is basically like how big your box is. So my Q3 was 90. My Q3 was 83. And my Q1 was 67. So let's see, 83 minus 67, I get 16. So my interquartile range is 16. All right, let's practice this one. Again, you can't see my calculator, but I'm going list in spreadsheets. And 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 22, 25, 26, 29, 33, 33, 37, 40, 42, 44. It's easy to do this by hand when it's not, when it's in order, but if it's not in order, it would be more complicated. Now I'm going to go menu, stat, then stat calc, and then one variable statistics. I know you don't see me doing this, but I am doing this. And then number of lists, I just have one list, and I click OK. And then it tells me that my min is 16, my Q1 is 18, my median is 26, my Q3 is 37, and my max is 44. All right. So now let's use this to create our dot plot, our box plot, I meant, sorry. All right, so let me just label this. I need numbers that are going from 16 to 44. Hopefully I could go by twos. Let's see. I'm going to start with 14 and see how it goes. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42. If I start at 16, then I would be able to fit it. So I'm going to move everything down, and then I can put 44. Alright, so my first number is 16, my next number is 18, then I have 26, then I have 37, which is right in the middle, and then I have 44. Alright, and if you remember, you connect the outer two ones with a line, Then you create a box in the middle, and then you draw a line right through that other one. Now what is the interquartile range? You do Q3, which is 37, minus Q1, which is 18. Now let's see, 37 minus 18, we get 19. Nice job. Alright, now let's look at the sample problem. 20 of this physics students recently took a quiz. The results of the quiz are shown in the following box and whiskers diagram. Assume that all scores are whole numbers. Using the box plot, write the 5-number summary. Alright, the minimum, I'm going to need Q1. I'm going to need the median. I will need Q3. And I will need the maximum. Alright. So these are going by 2s, 52, 54, 56, 58, 62, 64, 66, 68, 72, 74, 76, 78, 82, 84. Okay, and they're all whole numbers. So what would be in between 52 and 54 would be 53. Right here, this would be 64. Right here, this would be 71. This would be 76. And this would be 84. Very, very nice. And let's look at another Regents problem. Which of the following box plots shows a data with the greatest median? Remember, the median is in the middle. So this right here would be, is this 25, 30, 35, 40? Yes, this would be 25. Let's see this one. This is going by 10s, I think. 10, 20, 30, 40. Yeah, so this is 40. Then this one right here, we're going by 2, so this would be 22. And this one right here would be 6. So this is our greatest one. Now let's look at this next Regents problem. In the box and whisker plot, what is the second quartile? Another word for second quartile is median. This is your min. This would be Q1, Q2, Q3, and max. So what number is this? This is number 30. Nice job. And let's look at this problem. What is the range of the data represented in the box and whisker plot shown? So we're taking this number minus this number, which would be 75 minus, and now we have to decide what number these are. I think we're going by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, yeah. So 75 minus 15, and we get 60. And that wraps up our lesson on creating box and whisker plots by first creating the 5-number summary. Alrighty, all done.